Jai Shri Gurudev. Good morning, children. In previous class, I had taught you Unit 6 poem Wander Thirst, and I sent question and answer and textbook exercises in your group. I hope you all completed that work. Today, I am going to teach you Unit 7. That story name is The Farmer's Son Becomes a Hunter. It is page number 52. So open page number 52. The first they are given the introduction. I will read once, afterwards I will explain. When the child is born, parents start making plans for her or his future. Sometimes what the child wants to do when he or she grows up is different from what the parents dreamed of. As in the story you are going to read here, in spite of the differences, the parents let the son have his way. Later, the family faced difficulties because of the son's choices. Let's find out what happened to the family in the end. So, this is a West African story, folk story, children. So when one child was born, parents are expect they are thinking more plan doing about his or her future, what that child will become in future. But sometimes it will not come same equal what parents are thinking. It will be changed because it is depend on the child decision. Maybe it will be changed his or her decision. What parents are thinking about his future. So this family also same faced difficulties about their son's choices. Let's see the start the lesson. There lived a farmer and his wife in a village in West Africa. They had a son named Ajadi. The family was neither rich nor poor, and they always had just enough food to eat and a little left over to sell as they were farmers. So they are West Africa's one family, village family, husband and wife. They have one child, son. That name is Ajadi. They are not more rich, but not poor also. So middle like that only. But whatever they are grow the foods or crops, they something they are keeping for their eat. Remaining they will sell. Ajadi's parents were hopeful that their only son would grow to be a farmer. If they had more hands to work in the farm, there would be more food and they could increase their trade in the market. The parents thought this would help the family earn more money. And more importantly, Ajadi would learn how to fend for himself the way his parents had before him. But alas, their hopes were dashed when Ajadi announced to his parents one day. What happened? That parents hopeful that when they are whatever they are going they are already farmer, they are growing their crops. They, if that Ajadi will help to them in future, they will can grow more crops and their hands will become more increased, and whatever they will increase that they will sell in market and they can earn more money. But Ajadi is also that friend himself, whatever parents did, they can help to he can know how to earn food, clothing, everything, etc. But it was not like that. It was fully crushed. Their whole hope, whatever they are thinking about Ajadi. What Ajadi announced one day, mother and father, I want to become a hunter and not a farmer. But one day, what happened? He was telling to his parents, I don't want to become a farmer, I want to become a hunter. His a hunter, his father exclaimed. A hunter's life is unpredictable. One day you find food, and for many more days you may find nothing, he added. After listening, his father, well, hunter, means he was shocked. Hunter life is very Unpredictable means uncertain. Someday you can get the food, or next after some days you won't get any food like that. Like that only he added. Next, Ajadi's mother added to her husband's concerns. It is risky. You never know what dangerous animals you may run into. Even his mother also added concern with her husband, means Ajadi's father, and she also added it is risky. So dangerous animals also you can run into, you can face to them. But Ajadi's heart was set on being a hunter and told his parents how he felt. He thought he would be happier as a hunter than as a farmer. Even though his parents were unhappy about his decision, they decided to support him, as this is what families do. They support and respect each other's decision. They even helped him purchase his new hunting gear. So Ajadi's heart was set on being, he wants to become a hunter only, but not a farmer. So after that, parents are agreed with him and they are supported his decision, and whatever he wants to become a hunter, that all things hunting gear they purchase and given to him. So Ajadi became a hunter to his parents' surprise and delight. Ajadi was a skillful and successful hunter. Not a single day passed without Ajadi bringing some game which his mother could add into their soup pot for the evening. So after that, what Ajadi became a hunter. Not only hunter, he is a very surprise. The parents also surprise and delight. One day also not happen like that without any things. Game means here children, not game that play. That is wild animals hunting for food. No, that game. That things are called game. So his mother added for their food, evening food, like soup. Every day he used to bring something for his family. So next, but one day came when his luck seemed to have deserted him. Returning home without bringing any game became a routine for him. His hunting skills seemed to be of no use anymore, as there was just no game to be found in the forest. So one day what happened after when he was returning back to home, nothing, he didn't get any game, but daily whatever routine whatever he was getting. His he was searching but he didn't get. So that skill hunting skills anymore not happen like that only in his life. As Azadi was about to give up hope, he spotted a bird, a tiny bird perched on a low branch. Normally, he would turn the page children have ignored such a small game, as there would hardly be any meat on it. So what happened? After that, suddenly his hope, whatever he was expecting, suddenly he got a tiny bird, means small bird, sitting small branches are there in a tree. It was sitting upon there, and how much that small bird he won't, if he catch it, if he kill it, he won't get anything from that bird, no meat at all, that much small. However, desperate situation make us take the smallest advantage or chance. Ajadi was anxious and he was determined to make his first kill in days. He took aim at the bird, getting ready to hit it with his arrow when lo, the bird started singing. So whatever have to do, that one only he's hopeless. He was not won't get any hunting things to take at home. That situation, suddenly he got that small that bird. He wanted to hunt that one only, that smallest things whatever he got the chance to get today that day. So he was anxious and determined. I have to take this one, and he started to aim, and he take his bow, arrow, and he target that bird. When he was targeted, that time only that bird started to singing. Tin tin to janto mo gwe ye kikere tulon o pa mi. Tin tin to janto means in that African language, that is, I hear a bird saying he would kill me. That meaning. The bird sang so beautifully. Ajadi had never heard anything so melodious in all his life. He was almost certain that his parents had not either. He somehow wanted to possess that beautiful bird. Using his hunting skills, he managed to catch the bird without hunting or wounding it, and took it to his home for his parents to listen to the beautiful song. So he was surprised that how much beautiful that bird he didn't see in his life. He was almost certain that parents also maybe not. So he somehow wanted to, don't want to kill hunt that one. He was managed to catch it without any hurt. Don't give the hurt that bird, or not be wounding, because if that bird will be hurt or wound, it won't sing again. So that matter only he managed and catch it and take to home to show parents. When Ajadi got home, he removed the bird from his sack, and the bird immediately began to sing that same. Again, Ajadi came to home and removed from his sack, and that again that bird started to sing. Ajadi's father and mother had indeed never heard such beautiful music, and they broke out into a dance. They danced and danced until Ajadi put the bird back into his sack. The bird spread joy and happiness in their home. For many moments they forgot about their hardships and hunger. So what happened, children, when father and mother had seen, they also never seen before this kind of bird. So when that bird started to sing, they also started to dance up to Azadi didn't keep that bird keep inside his sack. But the bird spread joy and happiness in their house. Their house became so happy and joy. They forgot about their difficulties and their hungriness. When Ajadi's father got his breath back, he had an idea. The king of their village had been depressed for several years. None of the best poets, musicians, dancers, and jesters who had come from faraway villages to cheer him up had been successful. The father thought that maybe, just maybe, the tiny bird would do the trick and make their king smile. So suddenly, when that father was became tired after the dance, he was take a breath, and he got an idea. What? In their village, the king was depressed. Means many days over, he was very sad. He won't laugh. So many poets, musicians, dancers, and jesters, mean jokers. They are brought to laugh that king, but they all are failure. So that father thought, maybe or just maybe the tiny bird can make him to smile. So Ajadi and his father started off for the palace with the bird. When they got to the palace, the guards stopped them at the gate. What is your business here? They asked. So Ajadi and his father was ready to go to the palace. When they got into the palace, the security guard was stopped them. Why? What is your business? Why you came to here? They asked. We would like to see the king, the farmer replied. When the security guards were asking to why you came to here, they give an answer. We want to like to see the king. The farmer replied, means that Ajadi's father. Is the king expecting you? The guards asked. Means king has called you or king has informed you to come? The farmer answered, no, but Then you cannot see him, the guards interrupted. So if king said no, don't have any permission to come, so we can't give the permission to you. They interrupted, give middle one gap. Next children, page number 55. The farmer pleaded, but one of the guards told him, if I were you, I would go away. It might be safer for you because the king is in a full mood and you do not want to risk his anger. So farmer requested again and again, but guards are telling no, we can give the permission to you before, but now we can't because that now our king has full anger mood. His mood is not in for he is in bad mood, so we can't give the permission to go inside. It will get anger for you. The farmer started to turn back, but Azadi brought the bird out of his sack and the guards began to dance with cheer. The guards understood the value of what the father and son had brought with them. The farmer, when turned back, had to go back to home. Azadi brought the bird out of his sack. So Azadi take out that bird outside. When outside, that bird again started to sing, and the guards also started to dance, began to dance and cheer with happily. The guards understood that time. That guards understood why that father and son came to here. Ajadi and his father went into the palace where they found the king scowling on his throne. So when they came inside the palace, that king was very angry mood. Who let you in here? The king bellowed. He was angry with angry anger only. He was telling who given permission to come here. Ajadi brought out the bird and it began to sing. Again Ajadi also bring that bird and it was started to sing. Again same song children. The king got up and began to dance. All those in attendance began to dance. The king's wives came out of their rooms to find out what was happening. And they all began to dance. All the princes and princesses also joined in the dance. So what happened after when that bird started to sing? That that king also began to dance. Not only that king, their attendants, how many people are there, all are began to dance, and the king's wives, those are in the rooms, they also came out, and for what was happening there, they also started to dance. And not only the wives, all the princes and princesses also joined to the dance. The mood in the palace changed from the strange sadness that they had been experiencing for many years to joy. Everyone danced until they were weary and could dance no more. So now palace was full change their mood. They all are now happy and cheer. Before many days over, they won't make the kings to the happy. Totally who was in sad mood. Now they fully changed and everyone started to dance till they didn't get the tired to stop the dance. The sun was about to set and the father son due had to return to their home before it got too dark, but the king did not want them to take the bird away. He was so happy that he offered the farmer half of his kingdom in exchange for the bird. And that was how the farmer and his wife, through their son Ajadi the hunter, became rich. So what happened? Now the sun will be set means evening will be it is evening that they have to go home back return, and that time the king was offered to that Azadi and his father, we should give you half of the kingdom but you give the bird to the king. And they are obviously they agreed that one, and after that the farmer and his wife through their son with Azadi they are became rich. So it is a story, a West African folk tale. I hope you enjoy the story, children, and you read the story carefully at home. I did underline words. When you write the notes, that underlined words you have to follow and write in your notes. And down had given the new words. All new words meaning also there. When you